Abundant, present in large quantities, plentiful. Benevolent, showing kindness and goodwill. Cacophony, a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Debilitate, to weaken or make feeble. Eloquent, fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Furtive, done in a secretive or stealthy manner. Gratuitous, given or done free of charge.
Hapless, unfortunate or unlucky. Ineffable, too great or extreme to be expressed in words. Juxtapose, to place or deal with, close together, for contrasting effect. Kaleidoscope, a constantly changing pattern or sequence of elements. Lethargic, feeling sluggish or lacking in energy. Mellifluous, sweetly flowing or sounding.
Nefarious, wicked, villainous, or criminal. Obliterate, to destroy completely, wipe out. Pernicious, having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. Quixotic, exceedingly idealistic, unrealistic and impractical. Ravenous, extremely hungry, voracious. Sycophant, a person who acts obsequiously towards someone and taciturn, reserved or uncommunicative in speech, silent, ubiquitous, present, appearing, or found everywhere. Voracious, having a very eager approach to an activity. Whimsical, playfully quaint or fanciful, especially in an appealing and amusing way. Xenophobia, dislike of or prejudice against people from other countries. Yonder, in the distance but within sight. Zealous, showing great enthusiasm or passion. Aplomb, self-confidence or assurance, especially when in a demanding situation. Belligerent, hostile, aggressive, or inclined to fight. Cacophonous, involving or producing harsh, discordant sounds. Deleterious, causing harm or damage.
Ephemeral, lasting for a very short time. Facetious, treating serious issues with inappropriate humor. Garrulous, excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters. Hedonist, a person who seeks pleasure as the highest good. Impetuous, acting or done quickly without thought or care. Jubilant, feeling or expressing great joy. Kowtow, to act in an excessively subservient manner. Languid, displaying or having a disinclination for physical exertion. Misanthrope, a person who dislikes humankind and avoids human society. Nostalgia, a sentimental longing for the past. Ostentatious, characterized by vulgar or pretentious display designed to impress. Pernicious, having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. Querulous, complaining in a petulant or whining manner. Rambunctious, boisterous and difficult to control. Serendipity, the occurrence and development of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Trepidation, a feeling of fear or agitation about something that may happen. Ubiquity, the state or capacity of being everywhere, especially at the same time. Veracity, conformity to facts. Accuracy. Whet, to sharpen the blade of a tool or weapon. Xeric, characterized by or adapted to a dry habitat.